there, my beautiful people, Kyle here. Are you ready to dive into this incredible world of bringing your specific person into your life without drowning in affirmations and meditations? Well, I'm here to show you just how to do that. Now, I want you to picture this. You're sipping on your favorite drink, might be a pina colada, might be a strawberry daiquiri. You're chilling at your favorite bar, and suddenly your dream person just appears in your life. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, let me tell you this, it's not as impossible as you might think. We're about to embark on a fun and exciting journey to make this a reality. Let's make magic happen today, baby. But before we jump into the good stuff, I have some fantastic news for you. I've just reopened the doors to the 5 days to Attract and Love Your Life course. Many of you missed out last time, and I couldn't let that happen again. So if you're keen on transforming your life, the link in the description box is your golden ticket. But hurry, it won't stay open for long, maybe just a couple of days, maybe 1 or 2 days or so. You won't want to miss this opportunity. Now, let's get to the good stuff. How can you manifest your specific person without feeling like you're reciting affirmations or spending hours in meditation? The answer, my friends, is all about finding your vibe. Some call it your vibration, some call it alignment, but it's the magical state you need to be in. So, here's the $1 million question. What would it feel like if you had your specific person right now? Imagine your best friend asking you, how would it feel to have them with you? Think about it for a second. What comes to mind? Happiness, satisfaction, joy, and loads of love, right? All these things have one thing in common. They are positive vibes. That's what we want. The feel-good, high vibe state. So how can you get into that vibe right now? It's easy. Ask yourself, what can I do today to feel that way? You want to feel satisfied, happy, and full of love. And it's easier than you think. You got to be a little bit selfish. It's your life after all. You are the star of your own show, your own movie, and you get to treat yourself well. Do things that make you feel fantastic. Love being lazy, embrace it. Love working hard, go for it. Start a side project, take up a hobby, or maybe even start a YouTube channel like me. If it lights your fire, it's the right path. Now I know life's not all rainbows and unicorns. There are a couple moments where you have to do things you'd rather not want to do, like work or school, right? Well, here's the secret. Make it fun, make it enjoyable. Turn it into a game, gamify it. Think about the exciting things to come and focus on how you feel. You're going to love how this changes the game for you. So in a nutshell, do more what you love, whatever that may be. Write down a list of things that make you smile, make you happy, make you feel alive, and then do them. Nothing is off limits, my friends. When you do these things consistently, your life will become a wonderland, and you will exude confidence. And here's a powerful truth for you. Your specific person wants you just as much, if not more, than you want them. Trust me on this one, or stick around and watch the next video to dive deeper into this. So go out there, have fun, have a blast, do what makes your heart sing, full of joy, and watch how effortlessly your dream person walks into your life. Affirmations and meditations are optional. They're very helpful, but very optional. But your happiness and joy are not. Go and make your dreams come true. You've got this. And there you have it, my friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. I sincerely appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep the good vibes rolling, do me a solid favor. Hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and become a part of our extraordinary manifestation tribe. And hey, don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms. I promise I won't post cat memes, but I'll be bringing you loads of inspiration and positivity. Until next time, keep manifesting your dreams, stay awesome, and remember, life's a playground, so go out, have a blast. Catch you on the flip side, my friends. Peace out. Bye.